Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Facts with Usama. Two volunteers film a terrifying chase as Siren head is sighted climbing buildings around an island, destroying infrastructure and emitting a loud siren. While they use a drone and thermal imagery to locate him, speculate that he is building a signal broadcasting project atop rooftops, and follow clues like footprints and a QR-coded message that directs them to higher ground and eventually to the hills near their villa. The tracker shows Siren head approaching their home, where he enters the garage and the drone loses range, prompting a tense pursuit as they realize he aims to broadcast a massive signal. A mission update reveals plans to eliminate human spies, and they discover a way to potentially hijack the drone's Wi-Fi to control the creature. In a final confrontation, they manage to turn the tables, stop the broadcast, and secure the evidence and junk, claiming they've saved humanity before signing off and inviting viewers to join their channel. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.